Discover how Belimo, a global leader in smart building solutions, conquered the world with centralized localization. Belimo has been innovating in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning since 1975, creating solutions that make life more comfortable, safe, and sustainable. However, this global reach presented significant localization challenges. Belimo relied on over 60 scattered experts in various language service providers, leading to inconsistent messaging and a lack of oversight. The solution to this was Acolad's innovative approach to centralizing Belimo's localization process. Acolad's localization consultancy specialists designed a completely new streamlined translation process to ensure global consistency, better oversight, and a more efficient workflow. And the results speak for themselves: a strong partnership built on trust and transparency. As Daniel Ritter stated, working with Acolad's team to centralize our translation program has allowed us to put quality first in every aspect of our company. Belimo's quality-first promise now resonates in every language. They've achieved a consistent brand voice across all 80-plus markets while gaining complete transparency and control over their localization efforts. As an added benefit, Belimo has also optimized their cost management throughout the process. We provided expert outsourcing, copywriting, translation, revision, to name a few, and we worked very closely together to ensure mutual success, highlighted Acolad's account manager. See how your company can achieve Belimo's global success. Talk to Acolad's localization specialist about centralizing your translation processes.